Hey there YouTube family, how are we today? My name is Dan, I'm the Wannabe Geek. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but great to see you again. Guess what? As you can probably tell, I did it. I've had a dream to buy a Tesla for many years, so I've actually gone out and done that and bought myself the Model 3 long range version. So what I'm going to do is a quick intro video around 3 questions that I get asked the most. And that is purely most of the questions I get asked are around charging and range. So the 3 questions I get asked the most are, where can I charge and is it easy? So absolutely. You can charge in a couple of different locations. You can charge at your home, plugging it into the normal power point. The rate on that, which we won't go into the details, is actually quite slow. So what I like to do is I actually like to go to a little beach town not far from my house, and it's actually got one of the DC 50 kilowatt chargers, and I use that on a regular basis, which brings me to the next question I often am asked. Because with the price of gas or fuel going at the crazy rate that it's going, we find that people are starting to be very conscious about how much they're spending. My wife and I are about to embark on a huge road trip, which is going to be around about 7,000 kilometers round trip all up. Maybe not quite, anywhere between 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. And we're going to document that trip for you to take the journey with us. However, the charging cost, to do that trip via fuel, using a normal ICE vehicle, internal combustion engine, would cost you a fortune because of the rate of gasoline or fuel over here in Australia. However, charging for me right now is actually free. We're at a DC charging, 50 kilowatt DC charging with the ChargeFox network, and it is absolutely free for me here. If we go back to question 1, where was one of the other places that you can charge at? And that was at home. If you're to use your home here in Queensland, I live in regional Queensland in a location called Bargara. We only have one electrical company available, Ergon Energy, and their rate is 24 cents per kilowatt hour. So effectively, if I was to do a charge, the long range vehicle, 76 kilowatt battery, and if I was to do from 0 to 100% charge at 24 cents, it's 18 bucks to fill it full charge. But you might go, Dan, that's great, 18 bucks to fill it up, but what's that equivalent to? Well, that brings me to question 3. Question 3 is, how far can you go on any given day on a charge with Tesla? And again, it's a variable question, so I'm going to talk exactly what it is for me. And for me, on a full charge, which we're going to embark on our little trip down to Hobart, Tasmania, starting tomorrow, we could get on any given day approximately 480 to 500 kilometers on a full charge. We've done a road trip from Bundaberg to Bargara to Agnes Waters. That was about 300 kilometer round trip, and I still had over 200 kilometers remaining on the battery at that time. So real world for us is 480 to 500 kilometers. Tesla will state on their website that the current 2022 Model 3 long range will get about 602 kilometers. Obviously perfect conditions. No one ever gets the perfect conditions. So I'm super happy with 480 to 500 kilometers. Look, stay tuned. If you haven't already yet, subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and join us on the journey that we're about to embark on from Bargara, Queensland, all the way down to Hobart in Tasmania. Because what we're going to do is we're going to nominate on there what is the best state to own an electric vehicle for charging costs. We're going to document how much it costs us, the kilometers that we do, what are the best charging stations. In Queensland alone, there are only 6 Tesla superchargers. So where I live, there's nothing even close to me for that. So I hope you can enjoy the journey with us and join us on that journey, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Love life, live the dream.